can you tell us what exactly is a sales process and what makes it ideal?
Yes, sure. So a sales process is basically a set of important steps that your sales team can follow to complete a sales cycle. By following a sales process, your sales reps can take prospects from the stage of being aware or unaware of their needs to paying for your offerings to meet these needs. A well-defined sales processes also provide the right actions to be performed at every stage to ensure that deals do not fall through the cracks. It can also act as a roadmap for your sales team to successfully move products through the necessary stages of the sales cycle till they are converted into customers. So the best sales processes also include steps or stages that define how a salesperson can keep the customer relationship alive and thriving.